Struggling to dip your caramel candies? Always end up with a dirty kitchen after dipping food in chocolate? Knowing how to dip candy in chocolate without making a mess will save you stress in the kitchen. From caramels to truffles, dipping candies in chocolate makes for a delightful treat. They are great for serving at parties or for holidays, as your guests will love them. However, working with chocolate can be messy, which can result in a dirty kitchen. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Clean a workplace on your kitchen counter. Make sure you allow yourself plenty of space to work. If you are worried about spilling any chocolate on your counters, put down some paper towels. Step 2. Allow your candies to form a skin so they will hold together when dipping them in chocolate. You can achieve this by letting them sit out overnight at a cool room temperature, or by placing them in the freezer for 10 to 30 minutes. The skin prevents them from being too soft when dipping, which can lead to messy, misshapen candies. Step 3. With a microwave-safe bowl or double boiler, carefully melt the chocolate. If using the microwave in 30-second intervals until chocolate is fully melted, stirring after every interval. Step 4. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and set it somewhere easily in reach of your melted chocolate. Step 5. Using a dipping tool or fork, dip your candies in the chocolate. Place the fork or dipping tool under the center of the candy. Carefully lower the candy into the chocolate, pushing it just under the top of the chocolate. Slowly lift the candy out of the chocolate and tap the fork several times on the side of the bowl to remove any excess. Gently slide the bottom of the fork over the lip of the bowl to remove any additional excess. Carefully set the chocolate-covered candy on the baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 6. Allow the candy to set on the parchment paper until it is dry. Though it may be tempting to move the candy early, you want to avoid doing this as this may cause smudges. The candy should dry at a cool room temperature or in the fridge for a few hours. Step 7. Once the candies are set, you can trim off any excess chocolate at the bottom. Use a sharp paring knife to carefully trim the edges. Tips and tricks. To get the best results for your chocolate-covered candies, it is recommended to use high-quality dipping chocolate. Not only will the candies taste better dipped in high-quality chocolate, but they will also look better as well. If you want to spruce up your chocolate-covered candies, you can add toppings such as sprinkles or sea salt. Not only will this enhance the taste, but it will also give them a lovely look. Simply add your toppings right after placing the chocolate-covered candies on the parchment paper. If you want your chocolate to have a professional finish with a shiny coating and satisfying snap, you can temper your chocolate. Tempering chocolate is not hard, but it does require a candy thermometer and time. However, if you are pressed on time, you can simply melt your chocolate and skip tempering it. Be sure to avoid working with dipping chocolate in hot temperatures. This will not only make it extra messy, but your chocolate will not set properly. It is best to work in a cool environment, where the temperature is between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent messy candies. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.